So I just got this Ford Ranger, what, 3 days ago now, and one of the things that I need to do to it is fix this handle right here. Alright, now that we're on the flip side of the Ranger, it looks like we have 8 torque bolts. So let's head over to the toolbox and see what kind of torque bits we can find. See here. As you can see, it's only pulling on this side, and the little latch that attaches to the handle on this side is broken. Looks like we need a 10 mil. We're gonna get those bolts off, and then the handle should come out after we undo this boy right here. So let's try it out, see what happens. Cool. Alright. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for taking time out of your day. And if it helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below today. Thanks a lot for watching DNA Drives, and if you could check out our channel, we are new to YouTube and we are trying to grow. We upload on a regular basis all sorts of car content, tips and tricks, car reviews, DIYs, installs, everything like that. So if you like cars, this is definitely the channel for you. Check us out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and until next time.